Hello 705, my name is Brittany Teacher and today is Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. I'm here today to do your picture writing lesson with you. And today we are going to do page 14. Here's our picture today for page 14. Let's look at all of the questions next to this picture. Remember, we're not going to use all of these questions and we're not going to answer them all in the same order either. But these questions can help us come up with some ideas about what to write. Number one, what or who do you see? What colors are they? What does the girl look like? What is she wearing? What is she doing? What does the woman look like? What is she wearing? What is she doing? What else? Write anything about this picture. Okay, let's look at the picture together. Remember last time from our picture writing lesson before, I gave you some tips on what to think about or write about first. Whenever we look at a picture, the most important thing to notice are the people. The most important things to pay attention to are the people. So we see how many people in this picture? Right, we see two people. We see a little girl and her mom. Who is the most important person in the picture? The little girl. Why is she the most important? Because she's bigger and she's up front. Her mom is behind her. So what the little girl is doing is the most important part of the picture. So if you were to start writing about this picture and you wrote about her mom first, it wouldn't make sense. I wouldn't understand because we always begin with the most important person. In this case, she's the most important person. What is she doing? She's being silly, right? She's doing something a little strange. She's wearing her pants on her head. That's a little silly, right? And how does she look? What is her emotion? She's smiling, which means she's happy, probably. Do you think she's playing? Yeah, I think she's playing. Now, after we notice a lot about the little girl, who's the most important person, then we can start noticing the other person. Who do you think that person is? Her mom, probably. Maybe her big sister, but probably her mom. And what is her mom wearing? She's wearing a long shirt and some slippers, bunny slippers, right? So do you think that she's ready to go outside? No, she's just wearing her pajamas, right? So she probably just woke up and they're maybe getting dressed and ready for the day. Maybe she's getting ready for school and her mama is helping her get ready. Okay, so what does her mom think about this whole thing? Is she mad? No, she's smiling. So maybe she thinks what her daughter is doing is really funny. Where are they? After we notice the most important person and the other person, then we look at the whole picture. When we look at the whole picture and we ask, where are they? We're asking about the setting. Where is this picture happening? Inside or outside? Inside, probably. I see a bed back here and a bunch of toys on the ground. So where do you think they are? Probably in her bedroom or somewhere else in their house, maybe like the hallway or something, but we can just say the bedroom. So now that we've finished observing everything that we can about the picture, let's write little numbers next to the questions we want to answer first, second, third, fourth. Remember, we need to think of 5 sentences, okay? So what is the most important thing? The most important thing are the people. So the first question, what or who do you see? I see a little girl and her mom. Okay? Second question, that's most important. Because the little girl is doing something so silly, we should say, what does the girl look like? Really, no, sorry. What is she doing? What is she doing? And then the third one will be, what does she look like? Okay, what is she doing? I see a little girl and her mom. The little girl is playing, wearing her pants on her head. The little girl is wearing her pants on her head. That's something that you could say. And the third question, what does the girl look like? She looks happy. I think she's playing. Okay? Number 4, what does the woman look like? The woman, you can say this is her mom. Her mom looks happy too. Her mom looks happy too. What is she doing? She is smiling. She is helping her daughter get ready for school. She is playing with her. Anything. What else? That's something that you can answer last. When we say what else, what I mean is, how do you feel about this picture? Right? What do you think when you see this picture? I think they're having fun. I think this is a sweet picture. I think this is a silly picture. I think this is a funny picture. Okay? Write something like that. So if we answer all 6 of these questions, we have 6 sentences, and that's plenty for our paragraph. Okay? I'm not going to write it on the board for you because I did it last time, and because you guys know how to write sentences now, and we're halfway through our picture writing book. So I want to see if you know how to write sentences by yourself. Okay? So you can pause and play the video as many times as you need to and listen to the suggestions that I gave you. If you don't know what to write, just rewind and listen one more time. Okay? Start with who and what she is doing. Who is she and what is she doing? Where are they? How do they look? What do you think about the picture? All right? Now we are finished with today's picture writing lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!